Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, viewers. This is Shaukat Khan YouTube channel, and you are watching YouTube channel. Today, I am going to introduce about how to check the blood pressure. And previously, I loaded one video about the blood pressure, how much the blood pressure is high and low, and everything. I explained in that video. So today I want to demonstrate how to check the blood pressure, because nowadays there is a lot of people, they have a problem and they have to keep this device at home to check the blood pressure, because most of the people, they have blood pressure, and everybody no enough facility to go to the hospital. So it's better to the people should know how to check the blood pressure and how to maintain and manage the blood pressure at home. So because of that, I want to introduce you, and I want to demonstrate you how to check the blood pressure. So about this blood pressure views, we have two devices at the moment. I have available two devices, which is the manual devices, and unfortunately I have digital device, the blood pressure, but I have two devices, which is manual checking the blood pressure. So I will demonstrate how to check the blood pressure, inshallah, and you will be enjoying, inshallah. So this is the stethoscope which we are using. You know, all the doctors, they have this stethoscope, and with this stethoscope, this is the multi-purpose. The doctors are checking on the patient chest and patient lungs and blood pressure and everything, checking by the stethoscope. The name is a stethoscope. And we have another device. This is the blood pressure device, which is more common and more. This is very old device in the world, and all over the world. Before, the only this device was available, which was using to check the blood pressure, to measurement the blood pressure of the people, and it is very accurate, and it is very good device to maintain to check the blood pressure. And we have another device. We have another device which is also, this is the manual, but this is with the dial. So this is also very easy to check the blood pressure and to evaluate the blood pressure. This is with the dial, the same device, only this one with the dial, and other one, this is with the mercury. This device is this device. This is a very good device, but only the people, those who don't know about this device, so they cannot manage this device, because there is some problem. If this device, there is one button is here, so if this button will be off, then no problem. But when we will check the blood pressure, we have to on this button, and after finish the blood pressure checking, this we have to put off this, to turn off this button. Otherwise, because this is the content with the mercury, so this mercury is inside in this tube. This is the glass tube is there, and the mercury is in this tube. So if we will not careful, so it will be come down. The mercury can come down, because there is a hole upside here, so mercury will come down from here. If the mercury will come out, so the result will be not properly. The blood pressure result will be not accurate. So that's why this device is very good, but need more careful to use this one. So let us check the blood pressure. This is my colleague, and I call him to check his blood pressure, and we will check this blood pressure now, inshallah. Let us see how to check the blood pressure. Okay, give me your see, viewers, this is the arm, this is the radial area, and this is the peripheral area. So we have to check the blood pressure from the peripheral area, and this when we we will check this area. There is a pulse. We can feel the pulse in this area. So from here we will check the blood pressure. So this device, when we will apply this device, so this device should be applied properly, and this both tubes should be on the peripheral vein, on the peripheral artery to check the blood pressure properly. Otherwise we cannot hear the sound properly, and we cannot check the blood pressure properly. After that, this is stethoscope. We have, okay, then after place this cuff, you have to put the stethoscope in the peripheral artery, on the peripheral artery, so we can hear the proper sound. And now we have to check the blood pressure. We have to concentrate on the figures of the device, and we have to concentrate on the sound of the pulse. So this is very easy, only need little concentration and need proper attention to do all this process. And this is not so difficult, not so hard as maybe the people are thinking like that. So after the inflating this cuff, now you have to deflate slowly. It should be not fast, should be slowly. Then you can recognize, you can evaluate the blood pressure. So this is this my brother, his blood pressure is 130/80. This is a normal blood pressure. Now we concentrate. The blood pressure is the sound was starting from 130, and the sound will stop on 80. So the blood pressure is 130/80. This is a very simple thing, very simple procedure, and there is no problem. Now let us check with the other device, so we can see the other device, how to check with the other device. And that device also is a very common device and easy to use this device. So this device, according to this device, this is the dial, which is the number is written up to from 22 to 300. 300. The figures are there. So this also same process is there. We have to place the BP apparatus, the BP cuff on the proper place with on the peripheral artery, and our stethoscope also should be on the peripheral artery, so we can see and we can judge our blood pressure. So now we have to inflate the air in the cuff. So see, this is very easy to inflate the cuff, and the figure also, the needle also going up, so it is reach about to 220. So this is enough. So now we have to deflate this slowly, and yes, this also same, little bit difference in between that device and this device, but the BP is almost same. This device is showing 125/80. So that device was showing 130/80. So there is no difference in between these both devices. So this is easy to use, and same we have to concentrate on the figures, on the numbers, as well as we have to concentrate to hearing the sound from our ear. So that will be where is the sound is starting and where the sound is stopped. That will be the blood pressure. So normal blood pressure, as you know, as before I explained about the blood pressure, because before I loaded the video about the blood pressure. So normal blood pressure is 120/80, 130/90, and 110/70. This all the blood pressure is a normal value, and everybody have a blood pressure. So if there is a normal blood pressure, there is no problem at all. So normal blood pressure, but if the blood pressure is high, it means there is some problem with the patient. Maybe he have his sodium level is high, because if the sodium level is high, so our blood will become more thick, and heart need to force to our heart need more force to push the blood in the body and to pump the blood in the body. So in that case, the blood pressure will be high, and so many other causes also. Their patient have a cholesterol, high cholesterol also, so their arteries and the vessels and the veins will be clogged with the fats inside, and in that case also the vein and the artery will become narrow, and in that case the blood pressure and blood flow will be not enough. So our heart need to more force to push the blood to the body. So in that case also our blood pressure will be high. And some people have a low blood pressure. Some cases there will be a low blood pressure, but low blood pressure is not so dangerous as the high blood pressure is dangerous. So low blood pressure we can control, we can manage by ourselves. We can take more intake of the sodium, or we can eat more salt, or we can eat eggs as soon as possible. If we need to increase our blood pressure, so we can eat the egg and we can increase the salt intake. So our blood pressure will become normal, that there will be no problem. But if the blood pressure is very high and there is we don't know the reason, what is the reason of high blood pressure, because of the sodium will be high, so blood pressure could be high. Our cholesterol is high, so in that case also blood pressure will be high. And then if we are in tension, in stress, so in that case also the blood pressure will be high. And the third thing, that if somebody is walking and coming in same time, you will check the blood pressure, so that blood pressure also will show very high. Although the blood pressure will be normal, when he will take rest, he will be take relax, and the blood pressure will become low, become the normal value. So in that case there is no problem. But if the blood pressure is high, if it is more than 140 by 100 or 95 or more than 9500, it is a high blood pressure. This is the diastolic, and systolic will be more than 40. So that is a considerable, and that blood pressure should be treatable, and it should be not to neglect by the patient and by the doctor. If the patient is going to the doctor will advise. Many advices they will say that you have to minimize the salt intake, you have to minimize the fatty food, you have to minimize the oily food. So all these things, if we can manage ourselves with the management of our food. So I hope this is the short video. This is we cannot make a more long video for this purpose. So I hope you understand how to check the blood pressure and how to maintain the blood pressure. And inshallah, I hope you enjoy this video. And if you enjoy this video, like this video, share my video and subscribe my video, and don't forget to bell icon to get another new video of next time, inshallah. And take care of yourself, and thank you very much. Bye bye, and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.